This short video is meant to show how to correctly input your equipment costs for the FCT IP call for projects. Our budget spreadsheet has 3 specific sheets depending on which principal contractor you choose: FCT NOVA, NOVA, and NOVA.ID. After selecting your institution, you should be able to pick the project's starting date and its expected duration in months. For the appropriate equipment sheet, you should include a short description of the equipment, its overall cost, and its expected usage in years. The usage is defined by the type of equipment, in this case for 4 years. At the bottom, there is a short table of examples with the respective usage for the different types of equipment, as well as the depreciation rates that applies for each of them. However, you should also check Decreto Regulamentar número 25/2009 to clearly identify the type of equipment you are charging and its respective usage. EDIS can help you with this and can provide you with a document upon request. For both FCT NOVA and NOVA, the methods of calculating the depreciation costs are the same. However, for NOVA.ID, these rates are different and will be variable. So this means that for NOVA.ID, the same equipment, as you can see here, with the same cost, it's the same description, with the same usage, will yield a different depreciation rate, and its eligibility will be slightly higher than in the 2 previous cases. However, it's very important for you from the beginning to clearly identify your principal contractor and only fill in the relevant equipment sheet so that everything related to your equipment costs is calculated appropriately. Thank you very much for your time, and we wish you good luck with your submission.